from time and again I keep getting messages from my viewers that to discuss about what is copyright and its laws governing copyright. Today I'm going to explain to you some basic things about copyright. See, copyright means giving a legal right to your creative work. It's like when you purchase a land, you register with Government of India so that you get a legal right over it, that your name is attached to that property, that none can take over that property since you have a title over it. Similarly, when you write or do something creative, say you make a film or a song, or say for example a book you have written, a fashion design, any of this creative kind, you need to get a legal right over it. You need to get a title over your creative work. Even though the law says that the registration for copyright is not compulsory, but it is important that you register. Why you should register is the importance of registration comes into effect when somebody copies your work. Because see, what happens is that if you copyright your work, Government of India will stand as a witness to your creative work. That is the most important thing. Now, if Government of India is a witness in your creative work, then naturally your justice will be speedy. Naturally, whatever your infringement has taken place, all those things will automatically be in your favor quickly, because the judge will go by the certificate, judge will go by the evidence the Copyright Office is producing. Now what happens is that about copyright, it goes by date. This part you should know, that whoever copyrights first, the work belongs to him. Now say somebody, you have created a creative work and somebody copies it from you. Alright, now what happens is that if he copyrights it before you, then the Copyright Office will stand by the person who copyrights first. So it is imperative that when you are creating something, you copyright it first before you publish it. That is one very important point that you should keep in account while you make a creative work. Once you are ready for publishing it as a software, before you go out for selling it, you should copyright it. To copyright a software, there are two things that are required. One is source code and the other is object code. Now, when you have a source code and an object code associated with a software, then it can be copyrighted and it can be construed legally as a software, and then it can be copyrighted. Now, regarding sound recording, now sound recording is a finished product of a song. Say for example, a song is a sound record. When you record a song, it has a validity of 60 years. Alright, so till the 60 years period, your legal right will be there on that song, and you can give license or whatever, use it commercially, you will have a right over it. After 60 years period lapses, then it comes under natural domain and anybody can use it in whatever way they wish to. Alright, so it's like that. About films, that again, the validity is again for 60 years. For book, it is a lifetime of the author plus 60 years after his death. So when it comes to literary work, books, poems, articles, all this kind, once they are copyrighted, they can be willed. They can be inherited after the death of the author. Because the duration goes beyond the death of the creator. So these are some very important things that one should know about copyright. So if you have any other queries regarding copyright, please do drop it in the comment. I will go through them and I'll try to reply to all of them. Thank you for watching my video, and if possible, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting it out now. My name is Advocate Tarun Chaudhary, and this is my, you can say, my first video that I've decided to go online, and I've done the entire video impromptu. So, and since it is my first video, I hope that if I have made any mistake here and there in my shooting and all this, please do bear with me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.